Okay. Now, next letter is Swaad. This is Swaad. It has the sound of Swa. How to write Swaad? Okay? Yeah, you can practice it. Now we'll see the words. Swaad for Saqrun. Saqrun means falcon. Swaad for Sanduqun. Sanduqun means box. Swaad for Sahnun. Sahnun means plate. Swaad for Sabunun. Sabunun means soap. Okay? Swaad, Saqrun, falcon. Swaad, Sanduqun, box. Swaad, Sahnun, plate. Swaad, Sabunun, soap. Alright, let's head towards the next letter. Swaad. Swaad is Swaad's brother, written exactly same with the dot. Swaad. Swaad. Okay? Now, words with Swaad. Swaad, Zimadun means bandage. Swaad, Zabu'un means hyena. Swaad, Zaw'un means light. Swaad, Zafda'un means frog. Okay? Swaad, Zimadun bandage. Swaad, Zabu'un hyena. Swaad, Zaw'un light. Swaad, Zafda'un frog. Okay, next is thaa. This is thaa. Thaa. Okay, now practice the words. Thaa for tiflun. Tiflun means baby. Thaa for tawilatun means table. Thaa for ta'iratun means airplane. Thaa for tamatim means tomato. Okay? Thaa, tiflun baby. Thaa, tawilatun table. Thaa, ta'iratun plane. Thaa, tamatim means tomato. Alright, let's step towards the next one. This is Zwaa. Zwaa, Twaa's brother. Okay, written exactly like thaa with a dot. This is Zwaa for Zillun means shadow. Zwaa for Zabyun means deer. Zwaa for Zufurun means nail. Zwaa for Zurfun means envelope. Okay? Zwaa for Zillun means shadow. Zwaa for Zabyun means deer. Zwaa for Zufurun means nail. Zwaa for Zurfun means envelope. Okay? Next. Okay, practice time. Again, same task. Identify the pictures. Tell the letter. Okay, first is the soap. What do we call soap in Arabic? Swabunun. Swaad for Swabunun. Then we have a deer. Zabyun. Deer. Zwaa. Zwaa for Zabyun. Then we have a table. Thaa for tawilatun. Then we have a box. Sanduqun. Swaad for Sanduqun. Then we have a hyena. Zabu'un. Zwaad. Zwaad for Zabu'un. Hyena. Then we have envelope. Zurfun with Za. Then we have a plate. Sahnun with Saad. Then we have light. Zaw'un with Zwaad. Baby. Tiflun with thaa. Frog. Zafda'un with Zwaad. Then we have nail. Picture of nail. Zufrun with Zwaa. Then we have tomato. Tamatim with thaa. Okay.